So what are the things you need to look out for when you're buying gold or silver or both? It's actually very straightforward. Make sure that you're buying a good brand. And a good brand will always find a good resale value when you have to sell it. That's only if in case you want to sell it, and in case you have to sell it. But ideally, a good brand today will also be a good brand several years down the line. That's the beauty of a good established market leader in this area of precious metals. There's only very few that are at the very top, and the rest are just sort of, bottom of the food chain, really. So make sure that any refinery that you buy a product of is part of the London Bullion Market Association's good delivery list, which simply means that even governments and large institutions would trust the brand name because it has been accredited and found to be of a sufficiently high quality that when they say it is of a certain quality, then they mean it is of a certain quality. And firms try very hard not to get knocked out of that list, because some do get disqualified from time to time if they don't keep up with the very high and exacting requirements of the London Bullion Market Association, which is the world's top authority that controls much of the precious metals physical trade. Now, if it has a high reputation, clearly you're able to sell it with a premium even. It attracts a premium to buy in the first place, so you pay a few dollars more than you would for some cheap third-rate company. So it's a good idea to have a very good, high-quality name, because you buy it with confidence and you can sell it with a profit and confidence. And when you go to sell it, in fact, thankfully, the best of the world's 3 top refiners, all of them are Swiss. Now, when you pay a price for this gold and silver, you should be able to compare it to the open market. You should be able to go online, check up the most recent price of gold, and you should be paying in the region of what you see. And that's when you know you're not being ripped off. If you have to pay too much, then there is something not right. Somebody's making too much commission or spread out of it. And most importantly, whatever brand you buy must be sold or resold at several different retailers, whether they're online or actually a physical store. There must be retailers willing to resell it. There are some brands that may come out of certain multi-level marketing organizations that only the members are able to buy and sell with each other. The open market actually couldn't care less about those kind of brands. But the brand that you own as an asset, as a family heirloom, as an inheritance device, must be of a sufficiently high quality that any one of the major retailers should be proud to display it in their window or online in order to resell it for you to the open public. This is the basics. Please watch the next video for more details.